Morning. So we are discussing about the reactivity of alcohols. Reactivity of alcohols. The reactivity of alcohols are discussing under the applications of inductive effect. Applications of inductive effect. Under this reactivity of alcohols, we discuss the acidic nature. Acidic nature is discussed. Next, esterification is over in the last class. A discussion on the esterification as well as the acid derivative reactions. Acid derivative reactions. Next, third one is acylation reactions. Acylation reactions. Fourth one is prosylation reactions. Prosylation reactions. The fifth one is prosylation reactions. Prosylation reactions. Sixth one is methylation reactions. Methylation reactions. And last one is triflation reaction. Last one is triflation reactions. These reactions we have to discuss under the reactivity of alcohols, OH cleavage. OH cleavage. We have two types of the cleavages, OH cleavage and CO cleavage. Because alcohols, for example, methyl alcohol, a bond is cleaved between the OH, a bond is cleaved with the CO. So under the reactivity of alcohols, we need to discuss with the cleavage of OH bonds and cleavage of CO bonds. First, we started the discussion under the cleavage of OH bonds. Means in which reactions the cleavage of OH bond takes place, the reactivity orders, etc., etc. And the reactivity order in the cleavage of the OH bond is primary is more reactive than the secondary is more reactive than the tertiary. And the cleavage of the carbon oxygen bond of alcohols, that is the reverse. That is reverse. Tertiary alcohols are more reactive than the secondary, and the primary alcohols are less reactive during the cleavage of the carbon oxygen bond. Right. So the discussion on this completed acidic nature and the discussion on the esterification completed. So now today we discuss about all these reactions which resembles, all are the resembles reaction. Right. Okay. Right. Acylation reaction. Acylation reaction. So what is the acylation reaction? The reaction in which addition of acyl group takes place. Those reactions are called as the acylation reactions. The reactions in which addition of acyl group, a acyl group is added to the substrate, then that is called as the acylation reaction. Right. So what is the acyl group? What is the acyl group? So this is the acyl group. This is the acyl group. Right. Generally, what are the sources of the acyl groups? The sources of the acyl groups are acyl chloride, acetic anhydride, that is denoted with AC2O, acetic anhydride. It's benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Right? These are the three sources for the acyl group. These are the three sources for the acyl group. So now we are discussing about the acylation on alcohols, which includes the cleavage of OH bond. Which includes the cleavage of OH bond. Right. First, CH3 C double bond O Cl acyl chloride with alcohol, because the reaction starts with the alcohol. The cleavage of OH bond takes place. Now same SN to AE reaction in presence of a pyridine is a base which abstract the proton. We will discuss the mechanism. CH3 C double bond O OR. CH3 C double bond O OR. So now this is the new group added. This is the new group added. The group is acyl group. So this is called as the acylation reaction. The mechanism. CH3 C double bond O Cl plus ROH. So oxygen is electron axis, contains two non-bonding pair of electrons. Now attacks at this carbon center, which is electrophilic in nature, because the electrons are transferring towards the oxygen, and here the carbon becomes electron deficient, electrophilic in nature. Therefore, it acts as a nucleophile, attacks at this electrophilic center. Now what happens here? So what happens? Addition of a specific group. The first step, addition of the specific group, CH3 CO minus Cl OHR plus. So now the positive charge develops on the oxygen, because the oxygen is a divalent, but here around oxygen we have three bonds, therefore positive charge develops. Now addition is completed, addition of a group. Now what happens here? So leaving group, elimination of a leaving group, removal of the leaving group gives CH3 C double bond O R and H, again the positive charge. This is less stable substrate. We know that positive charge on more electronegative group makes the system less stable. Therefore, it is less stable. Now we use a base like pyridine. Pyridine is a base, abstract proton. The electrons are now shifting towards the oxygen side. Then finally, we are getting the CH3 C double bond O OR. So this is our product. The mechanism, acylation reaction takes place. Right? Okay. And here we have to discuss the common point is alcohols are three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Once the cleavage of OH bond is taking place, means always primary is preferred among all. Then next, same, I can write some reactions with this acylation. Same, this acylation reaction with phenols also, because phenols also alcohols. Same, undergoes SN to AE reaction in presence of the pyridine. So now directly I am writing the mechanism is same for everything. The mechanism is common. Whatever the mechanism we discussed, that is common for all this. So now the product is O C double bond O acylation. Acetophenol is the product. Acetophenol is the product. So this is acylation reaction. This is acylation reaction. Okay, right. And the reaction. Now I am discussing a reaction that is not a part of this, but I need to explain. Right. RC double bond OCl plus RNH2. Instead of alcohols, I am using amines. Now the same reaction is taking place by undergoing SN2A reaction in presence of the pyridine. See here, ClH. One H is eliminated with this. Now RNH C double bond O R. This is also comes under the acylation reaction. This is also comes under the acylation reactions, and these acylation reactions which are involving the amines. But in this particular, we are discussing about the cleavage of the OH bonds of alcohols only. Alcohols only. Why I am discussing this means I have to explain a thing, right? Okay. So now with this acyl chloride is completed, we have three sources. We have three sources. Acyl chloride. Next, acetic anhydride. Same story. Acetic anhydride. CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3, acetic anhydride. Right. Now it reacts with the alcohol. Now it reacts with the alcohol, undergoes SN2AE reaction in presence of a base. Same reaction. I am using the second source, acetic anhydride, also undergoes the acylation reactions. Now here what happens? So this is a leaving group. In the previous case, chlorine is the leaving group. Now this is the leaving group. If you write the mechanism, then the cleavage between the oxygen and the hydrogen takes place. Now this hydrogen is attached with this, and finally I can write CH3, C double bond O R. CH3, C double bond O R. Again, acylation reaction. And here also the cleavage of OH primary is preferred. Primary is preferred, right? The same reaction can react with this. You can replace these alcohols with phenol also. The reaction is again possible with the phenol also. That follows the same mechanism, right? Next, benzoyl chloride. Next is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride with alcohols, SN2AE, pyridine, undergoes SN2AE, pyridine reactions. So here, this is the leading group. Chlorine is the leading group. So write down the product here. So minus HCl, H from the alcohol, Cl from the acyl chloride. So benzyl chloride, C double bond O. Now OR. Now OR. Acylation reaction. Acylation reaction takes place. Now here again, primary is preferred over the remaining two. The order of the reactivity of alcohol is primary. And the same reaction can also possible with the phenol. The same reaction, you can replace the phenol with the alcohol. Now what is the product if I use the alcohol? What is the product if I use the alcohol? Right. I will write the product. C double bond O, Cl, or any phenol. Phenol. So same reaction. O pH. O pH. So benzophenone. Benzophenone is the product. Same. Just I replace the alcohol with the phenols. Alcohols with the phenols. So in these acylation reactions involving the alcohols, the primary alcohols are more reactive in the cleavage of the OH bond. We know that. Right. So whatever the acylation reactions are possible with the alcohol, the same acylation reactions are also possible with the amines. Right. I have an example. Right. Para-hydroxyaniline. Para-hydroxyaniline is the reactant. Now, the acylation reactions. Apply for the acylation reactions. One equivalent. Why I am mentioning the one equivalent means acylation possible with the amine groups and acylation possible with the alcohol groups. Therefore, I mentioned the one equivalent. Therefore, so this acyl chloride need to react either on with either amine or the alcohol, right? So only one option. Influence of the pyridine base. Influence of the pyridine base. But once pyridine is a weak base, generally the acylation cannot possible on alcohol because the what is the function of the pyridine? Pyridine have to attract the proton from the alcohol, but here, so due to the resonance generally, the pyridine cannot able to attract the proton from the alcohol as much it can do from amines. It can do, but it's not easy. It's not easy, but it easy. Pyridine can readily attract the proton from the amine group. Pyridine cannot accept the proton from the alcohol. So we have two options. One is the shortcut, one is the long cut. Always we choose the shortcut. Therefore, preferably takes place at amine. Preferably takes place at amine. NHC double bond O CH3. Acylation at amine is preferable if we are using the weak base like pyridine. If we are use weak base like pyridine. If the same reaction, if I continue the same reaction, one equivalent with a strong base like sodium hydroxide, which is having a greater affinity towards the alcohols, then obviously now acylation possible at the alcohols. Acylation possible at the alcohols. Acylation possible at the alcohol. So this is very, very important concept. Generally, such type of questions are occurs in the appear in the examinations. So one equivalent, two equivalents. One equivalent. If I mention the excess, now the acylation possible on both the conditions. Acylation possible on the both the conditions, right? So this is about the acylation reaction. Acylation reaction. Next. Right. Acylation is completed. Next, tosylation. Tosylation reaction. Tosyl chloride. Tosyl chloride. The name of the compound. R. Paratoluene sulfonic acid. Paratoluene sulfonic acid. This is a tosyl chloride or paratoluene sulfonic acid. So paratoluene sulfonyl chloride. Sorry. Sulfonyl chloride. Sorry. Paratoluene sulfonyl chloride. So tosylation reactions. Tosylation reactions which includes the tosyl chloride along with the alcohols. The cleavage of the OH bond primary is preferred. Cleavage of OH bond primary is preferred. Now undergoes SN to AE reactions and the base used is the pyridine. These conditions are common for all this acylation, tosylation, etc. Now the product, what happens here? So attacks here. Chlorine is the leading group. And finally this proton will be attracted by the base. So I'm writing the product CH3 O S double bond O R. OR. Tosylates. These are called as tosylates. Methyl tosylates. Methyl tosylates. Methyl tosylates. So now I can replace the alcohols with the phenols. I can replace the alcohols with the phenols. PHOH. PHOH. The same reaction takes place. Phenyl tosylates. The same reaction repeats. Phenyl tosylates. Alcohols and phenols. And the same reaction is possible with the amines also. The same reaction is possible with the amines also. Same. What are the reactions possible with the alcohols? Those reactions possible with the amines. If I am taking the amine, now here NHR, right? Tosylates like that. This is the tosylation reaction. Tosyl chloride. Tosyl chloride is the starting material. Alcohols, the primary alcohols are preferred in the formation of the tosylates. Like these tosylates are good leading groups and the nucleophiles, right? Okay. Tosylation. Next, brosylation. 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 So all are identical to the same reactions. All are comes under the same category. Brosylation. Brosyl chloride. Brosyl chloride. BSCl. Brosyl chloride. Same. Reactions are possible with the alcohols. Primaries are prefers than secondary and tertiary. The products. Here same the leading group. Leading group. Right. Right. Now OR. Brosylates. Methyl brosylates. Methyl brosylates. Methyl brosylates. Same will possible with the phenols. Same will possible with the phenols. Phenyl brosylates. Phenyl brosylates. Phenyl brosylates. Brosylation reactions. Next. Methylation reaction. Methylation reaction. CH3, CH3, methyl sulfonyl chloride, methyl sulfonyl chloride, MsCl, methyl sulfonyl chloride. When reacting with the alcohol, the cleavage between oxygen and hydrogen primary is more reactive. SN2A reactions in presence of the pyridine. SN2A reaction in presence of the pyridine. The chlorine is the leading group. Now the product is methylates. Methylates ROMS or MSRO. Methylates. And the same reaction is possible with the phenol and amines. Same reaction is possible with the phenols and amines. If it is phenol methylates. If it is phenol methylates. Phenyl methylates. Phenyl methylates. And finally is triflation reaction. Triflation reaction. Triflation reaction that is identical to the methylation reactions, but all the hydrogens of the methyl groups are replacing with the fluorines. CF3, SOCl2, SO2Cl, trifluoro methyl sulfonyl chloride, trifluoro methyl sulfonyl chloride, trifluoro methyl sulfonyl chloride, trifluoro methyl sulfonyl chloride. Right. Now same. The reactions is common for all ROH. Cleavage of bond primary is preferred, then secondary and tertiary. Undergoes SN2 AE reactions. Pyridine is the base. Pyridine is the base. Okay. Right. Now here what happens? It gives same. The chlorine is the leaving group. CF3 S double bond O R. Methyl trosyl triplates, methyl triplates, if it is phenol, phenyl triplates, etc. So today we completed the acylation, tosylation, brosylation, methylation and titration reactions. In all these reactions undergoes to follow the SN2A reaction, and the base generally pyridine is the base used in all these cases. And the cleavage of the OH bond primary is more reactive. So these are the reactions comes under the OH cleavage reactions. In the next class, we will discuss about the CO cleavage of alcohols. Right? Thank you.